Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our car game, and in this video we're going to make our package to destroy. As you remember, in last lectures we duplicated them, but I don't know why, but it all became one again. So now let's duplicate them to have more packages in our map. Okay, so now you click here and then you click duplicate. After you duplicate, it became a little bigger. Let me put it one way here. Let me duplicate again. And now I duplicated this one. And let me put one over here. Okay, so now let's open up our, this is our car, yes. Yep, and this is our delivery script. So now let's open up our delivery script. Okay, now we opened our delivery script. So now we want to destroy our package. So to do that, let's come over here in if other tag equals package. If we touch package. Now let's write destroy. Let's open up our brackets, and in brackets let's write other. What is other? Everything like other. And then we click dot game object game object, and here we write 0.5 float, like in how many seconds should it destroy, and let's add the semicolon. Now also we want to create a serialized field in the top of here, the top of blue. Okay, so now let's open up brackets and write in here serialize field, and let's get out of here and write here float, as we used in here, float f, and then write destroy delay to destroy it, destroy delay. But this is the name of the variable, destroy delay, equals 0.5 float and semicolon. Now instead of that we can just write over here destroy delay. Now let's save that up, come over here to Unity. Now as you see here in car, now we have destroy delay. Now if we move on to some package, it's going to destroy. Oh, it destroyed. Now let's go to another. Oh, it destroyed. Oh, it destroyed. So okay, this was all for destroying object. See you in the next video. Bye bye.